Hello, my name's Gareth Waring and this is my self-initiated design project pitch. So the project I've chosen is from the idea of Biosphere Consciousness. This was a theory coined by theorist Jeremy Rifkin in 2009 in his book The Empathic Civilization. First I'll go through what biosphere actually means. So the biosphere is basically everything from the deepest depths of the oceans to the highest point in the sky, and every single living organism within that range. Okay, so within biosphere consciousness, everything is connected, which is fine if there is a balance. Within the biosphere, humans are obviously there, and one of the biggest problems is our excessive consumer habits. So with biosphere consciousness is very related to our own activities and the problems it's causing Earth. So let's have a look at what I mean by these problems. So obviously everything that we buy and we consume comes from a resource. That resource then needs to be farmed or to be collected or mined, and then those resources then need to be turned into products and shipped to the consumers, whether it's around the world or locally. Now, of course, all that activity that creates a lot of CO2 in the air. And if we go back to where everything is connected, that CO2 then goes into the air and obviously into the oceans. Of course, why is this such an issue for humans? Well, we are brought up to enjoy the moment. Everything we do, everything we consume is about the moment, and this could be a reason why we sort of lost our way. But instead of just enjoying the moment, why not turn that into a question of why we're actually able to do that, and to have that consciousness of the past and the future of that moment will be a step in the right direction. But sadly, a lot of people at the moment are still in that enjoy the moment phase. And that brings me to my actual objective of my project, and that is to bring greater awareness to this theory and to the problem of what we are doing, and trying to show people how everything we buy and everything we use is connected. So I'll be looking at people who we have the greatest impact if they were appreciative of the message that I tried to send. So that'll be the millennials, obviously known as people who are very socially active, very active online as well. So if I was to use the online channels, I'm sure people in that age range, in that demographic, will be able to spread the message as quickly as possible. Also aim for young families, as this whole issue is regarding the future of the families, and also environmentalists, people who care and who are frustrated in the way that the planet is at the moment. Okay, so how I'll actually go about communicating my message through social media is the obvious choice. If I have a clear, concise message, this can be hashtagged and shared. The size of the audience that I can reach is almost unlimited. It would be essential to know whether I'm going in the right direction with my message. And so with that, that draws the end of my pitch. I hope there's a clear idea about what I want to do, and I'm really looking forward to getting started with the project now.